tour. Hi guys, good morning. So ayan, second day here at Sigihor. So magsi-city tour tayo. And city tour tapos falls. Ayan. So makikita nyo sa likod ko, high tide na. So pagkagabi, low tide siya. At saka paghapon. So far naman, okay tayo dito sa Tropical Fantasy Resort. Ayan. So, city tour kami. Ang una namin pupuntahan is yung pinakamalapit, which is the Kapilay Spring Park. So, napakalapit lang nun dito. And then, next is yung Hapitanan Broom Shot. Something. Okay, sit. I'm gonna sit belt. Ayan. So, sama kayo sa amin. Virtually. Welcome to Kapilay Spring Park. So you can swim here for free. Yeah, and it's a spring water. Let's see. Spring water. Free. So, yeah, I'm taking a video of this girl in a black cat, and naiambis siya maglakad. And she will jump there. Okay. Enchanted Balete Tree. Thank you. I bought torta for us to taste.
There's a kainan pala here.
That?
We can eat here.
So let's taste torta. 25 here. Different siya na sa. Try. So it's a birdstone.
Ay, ang dami pa pala dito. Pero mas mahal. Okay na yung masena ako sa South.
Hindi, mas malalaki kasi yan eh.
Ay, wala sa kanya.
Ticket. Ticket?
Kanina yun.
Thank you po. And it's not so bad. So this is the Enchanted Balete Tree. kami sa Lassie Church on our next stop. So, ayan siya sa likod. It's hot. Ay, bukas yung sasakyan nila, pero ano, wala sila. lapit. Ang daming angklet. Saya. Yan. Tanong natin. Kuya, ano po pangalan nyo? What's your...
Titing.
Titing po. Ayan. Thank you po. Let's go. Bili tayo ng ice cream. Anong flavor daw?
Mangga, ubi, avocado.
Me, I'm ubi.
May maliit po.
30 pesos. Thank you po. Ubi, ubi, ubi. Your dress is ubi and your bikini is blue. Oh, like you.
I'm just a girl with a simple dream, which is to eat dirty ice cream. This is my...
Na. Lapit.
Lapit ka, ate.
Ipasa nyo na lang sa akin, ha? Tapos I'm gilid.
Oh, let's selfie.
Dirty ice cream. Siki ho. And lassi. Let's go.
Lovely
to the Whoa.
So this is the last convent.
Where do we enter?
I don't know. Dito picture tayo.
Where do we enter?
Do we enter or we pick outside? Why tayo ka here?
I don't know where do we enter. So where do we enter? I don't know where do we enter.
Oh, the dog is so taba. It's so fluffy.
Whoa, cutie patootie. Like a potato.
Yun ang background.
Opo. Thank you
kayo.
po.
Ito po, dito po.
Yeah, we there. Kahit nga dito ba? Ayan, sige. Dito lang.
Wait, I'm gonna prepare your phone. Season 2.
So, ayan, nagpipicture-picture lang kami dito sa may Lassi Convent. Tapos, may entrance fee lang siya na 30 pesos. Ayan. And then, libre na kami mag-picture-picture dito. Di ba, Marcy?
Yes, it feels such Maria Clara and Ibarra and
Even though your dress is like that.
yeah, and I'm showing my slit.
Slut.
It's giving
Slit.
very traditional Filipino culture.
Wow.
And as someone who is not born here, I feel like I'm a real Filipino who eats pasta.
Ang ganda dito, oh.
Ganyan naman.
Dito, kuha, oh. Ang ganda.
Like this. Ay, ang ganda. Parang ka ata, you think?
we are here in Lazzi, and I'm with my Italian friend, Marcy. Merci beaucoup. Can you speak in Italian in my vlog?
What do you want me to talk about? I need a subject.
Introduce yourself.
Ciao, mi chiamo Marion, ho 23 anni e siamo qui a Siquijor con I miei amici? Amici, friends.
Are we friends?
Italian accent. It's not amiga.
Are you gonna talk?
I'm not gonna talk. I just wanna, like this.
Ooh, very pretty.
So we're now here in the Olang Malave Man-made forest. So quick picture lang kasi tanghali na. Then maghahanap na kami ng mga kakainan. So ayan, ito yung tsura niya. Malapit sa Kabugakay, kakain muna kami dito sa may Enchanted Food Hub restaurant. So, ayan siya.
Shrimp with rice.
Hello, Dogo!
Para sa shrimp ka ba?
O yan, kain na na! So, I have lumpia.
Ano ako dito?
Kebab.
Kebab!
Yes, then grilled white marlin.
Thank you po.
Thank you po! Hi guys! So, ayan. Sarap me. Kambugahan. Welcome to Kambugahan Falls. So let's go.
Dito, reading Stacy to, ma'am. Baon mo mainom. Ma'am, drinks na, ma'am.
You don't hold. You don't hold there. It's Palawan. We're here at Kambugahay. Oh my God! Hindi ko pala kaya.
Tabang man yung kuwari. Ayun, bitaw! Magaling ako magturo dito. Bigaya dito sa kabalo mo. Ha? Ano ko ba dito? Ano ba dito kabalo? Yang gamay ng anak. Nana mo ba sa trip? Okay, mamaya na. Ito lang.
Guys, so ayan, nakatapos na kami sa Kambuga. Grabe, mas napagod kami sa paakyat. Sobrang tarik ng pababa at paakyat. So, ang sakit-sakit sa hita. Maninig, literal na maninigas. Ako ay buong pagkatao ko nanigas. So, ayan, pabalik na kami. Tapos, Runic after. Yun lang, see you later. Go ice cream at Kambuga. Tikman natin.
Yay! Nakabusog.
May iba siyang lasa. Hey guys, so ayan, papunta na kami sa Runic Beach Club para sa photo op and dinner.
Meaning, meron kayong dedicated area na sa beach club natin. So, for 4, Yung available na lang natin for group is the club couch. So the club couch ng price is 2,900 sa tatlo. 2,000 of those consumable na sa food and drinks. Since good for 3 lang yung package, so yung isa is mag-add pa siya ng 600 peso. Consumable niya doon is 500. Since today po, we have event po. So ito muna yung price natin. Pag regular price, nag-start po siya ng 2,600. Additional person will add 500. Kasi may event today. So tomorrow, back to normal na po siya. Okay, so for that one, 2,900 plus 600 equals 3,500.
Then ang
consumable is
2,500.
2,500. Yes,
Okay.
correct. So full access niyo po nandito sa gilid. Since that's premium or VIP, so full access nandito po.
Okay.
Yes po.
Pwedeng online, no?
Yes, we accept online. Transfer card.
Itayo mo ang bandera ng Cavite. So ayan, ending our second day here in Siquijor. Bukas, magpo-falls tayo. Madami tayong falls tomorrow. Kaya magpahinga tayo ng maaga. Buyers!